This is Ardubee, the most integrated and modular drone built on the open-source Cubepilot project. It can fly both indoor and outdoor, and it's small and light. We developed this flying electronic board through a lot of iterations, selecting the best components to make it open, programmable, and modular. It has best-in-class IMU, compass, barometer, and ESCs with real-time telemetry. You can receive sensor data from your computer or phone on Wi-Fi or save it on the SD card, all processed by the powerful H7 flight controller. Ardubee is open. It supports a vast range of radios. For battery, instead of the less efficient LiPo with wires, it uses Li-ion technology, easy to plug in and swapped. It can be used indoor and outdoor with its powerful and durable brushless motors. You can mount your preferred motors either on top or bottom. The same DIY concept is for the propellers. You can mount the lightest for endurance, a 3-blade one for more thrust, or experiment other shapes. Eliminating all cables and connectors, Ardubee is a state-of-the-art electronic flying board. Ardubee is programmable. It's built on the open-source project Cubepilot, which is used on more than 1 million vehicles worldwide and has a lot of features. Flight planning, object avoidance, follow me, geofencing, precision landing, and more. On top of that, you can use your preferred programming language to receive data and send commands with Mavlink Protocol and ROS. You can customize the firmware too, from high-level Lua scripts to hardware driver C++. All of this is already on GitHub, maintained daily by the wonderful Ardupilot community of researchers, professionals, and enthusiasts. Ardubee is modular. With these two connectors, you can stack add-ons on top. For autonomous outdoor flight, GPS add-on. For autonomous indoor flight, optical add-on. For indoor drone swarm, indoor positioning system. To prevent collisions, avoidance add-on. To connect sensors, servos, or companion computers, dev board add-on. To protect the frame and boost the motor efficiency, duct add-on, and more are coming. Light add-on, vision add-on. Our team has been designing and building drones for 10 years, making them smaller and smaller, from aerial photography to robot swarms, and Ardubee is the state-of-the-art of our research. Now we need you to complete the last steps and begin production. Back Ardubee now to make your ideas fly.